Microsoft has done something in recent editions of Microsoft Word that has thrown a lot of longtime Microsoft Word users off. That is their use of ribbons instead of a menu bar. Older versions of Microsoft Word used a menu bar at the top that included File, Edit, and several other menu items that would drop down menu lists of other commands that you could use. This got to be very cumbersome, so Microsoft redesigned it to what they consider to be an improvement. And I agree to a certain extent, but it doesn't come with very much explanation. First, up at the top, instead of having a menu bar that had File, Edit, View, and several other items, this one has ribbons. The Home ribbon is actually everything that appears underneath it. So all of these are the most common commands used with Microsoft Word. But some of the commands may be in another ribbon header. The idea is that you look for a category that would contain whatever it is that you want to do. So if I know that I want to insert a page break, or if I want to put a picture in, or clip art, shapes, smart art, all of the other things that you could insert are here in this ribbon. Anything to do with page layout, which would include orientation, the margins, overall theme of the document, or the size. And of course, the rest of them are the same way. References are going to refer to table of contents, footnotes, citations, captions, and other type of things you may put in your document. Mailings are going to refer to mail merges or envelopes, labels, anything that would pull something from a database and then put it into your Word document. Review has great features if you're going to be sharing this document with somebody else. It's going to help collaborate on the document. So if you're writing a report that other people are adding comments to or adding parts of the report to, Review will allow you to put a comment in to track the changes that other people are making and to accept and reject some of those changes. View has different ways to view the document that you're looking at, whether it's the print layout, full screen reading, a web layout. And then if you're using other software that also interacts with Microsoft Word, like Adobe Acrobat, you may also have added ribbons as well. Now you notice all the way to the left, you have one tab that's blue, File. If you click on File, you have all of the commands that you used to have under the File menu item, but you also have other areas that give you other information for what you're about to do. So for instance, if you hit the Save command, it automatically takes you to the familiar Browse to and Save As window. If you hit New, though, it will actually ask you a new what? What do you want to make? You can make it a blank document or choose from any of these templates that are available here. Some of these templates are on your computer, and many of them are actually located online at office.com. Under the File tab, you also have Options, which are all the Microsoft Word options that you would find under Tools and Options in the older versions of Microsoft Word. In these options you have General, Display Options, where you would find what kind of tags to see in your document while you're writing it that don't print, but they show up on screen. And of course, Proofing, Save, Language, and Advanced Options. Under Advanced Options, it gives you check marks to show how you can edit, how you can copy and paste, image size and quality, and other things that you would find in the Advanced Options under Tools in the older versions. Now in File, it automatically defaults to Information, which allows you to change the permissions, prepare sharing, and other versions of the same document, but it also gives you details over to the right in a preview screen of the various aspects of this document, whether it's been edited for a long time or just a little bit, last modified, created, who the author is, and several other pieces of information that you can find on the document that you're currently working with. I'll have other information about Microsoft Word and other Microsoft programs in future videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment on the Computer Clarity YouTube channel or give me a call at 719-266-8822.